We're with Noel Clay from Sunshine Valley Creations, and you've got something quite interesting to show us today, haven't you, Noel?
I have indeed. It's called seatbelt cosy, so that when your seatbelt that you wear rubs your neck, you can put a little cosy on, wrap it around, and it stops the seatbelt rubbing. Little poppers go on, and you can move it up and down, and it stops the area on your neck from rubbing. It goes on your seatbelt, wherever your seatbelt rubs, generally on your neck area, but you can have them made to order, different fabrics and different textures, beautiful soft ones, so they don't rub your neck.
So show me where it goes.
It goes along your neck like that, so the seatbelt doesn't rub when you've got it on correctly.
Wonderful. And where are these available from?
These are available in Brecon Market on a Tuesday and a Friday. They're also available at other craft markets.
The Sunshine Valley Creations.
Yes.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.